yeah, today I'm going to head down to, or I'm heading down to Lake Lemon again. And depending on what the weather does, I might just go ahead and jump on the Waverunner. And so we're going to go straight from scooter riding to the Waverunner. I forgot my little headband thing mount for my GoPro, because I was going to put my GoPro on and then zoom around. So I might just keep my helmet on. You know, I might look like a dork, or people might be like, oh, that guy must be a professional Waverunner. You never know. But yeah, we'll see when we get there, and then depending on if it's gassed up and ready to go or not, I don't know. My father should be down here. I doubt if he's out fishing. It's so windy out. We fish out of canoes. And so yeah, I don't know. We'll get down here and check it out. If nothing else, I might take the canoe out. I'm definitely going to try to get some drone pictures and videos. There's usually a train that comes down by the lake house every day right at 3 or 4 o'clock. Can't exactly remember which hour, but I'd like to get above it and then take a drone video. I'm like following the train. And then there's a real tall train trestle down here also that you can see in my little video where I go down across the causeway. And you know, that would be a cool one. Even putting the drone up above the causeway where water's on both sides and doing a little slow video, or like either going backwards or forwards with it. I don't know. I'm just going to experiment, have a little fun, see what kind of images I can get on the drone. And woo, yeah. Always remember, when you're in the country and you're going over little hills, stay to the right, like right here. There could be someone flying around this bend right now, coming up over the hill in my lane. Woo! It's all part of the adventure. But yeah, I just really love this road. It's windy, so I just figured I'd film this road, and then we'll probably cut in as soon, if I get on the Waverunner, depending on what I do, we'll cut in and we'll go straight from this road to the Waverunner. We'll try to keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. The humidity is really low today. It's going to be a high of like 83. It is June 5th, I believe, 2018. I thought about it. I could put a scooter video online every day, because I ride every day and I usually film every day. I usually film just in case something happens where I can capture it on camera, whether, you know, God forbid it be an accident, or you know, just whatever. You never know what you might see and find. And but yeah, I mean, I could put a scooter video on every day, I guess, but I mean, I don't think you guys really want to watch me go back and forth to work. Most of the time on my work days, I just go back and forth to work, and you know, run to the grocery store, or go to the store, or go to the movies, or before I go to work. Sometimes I go on adventures, sometimes I don't. I wish the weather was like this year round. It would be heaven if it was. So winter isn't my favorite season, and there's nothing green, and it's just cold and gray and depressing. But summertime in Indiana is really nice. I've been going up to Canada for like the past 18 years every summer with my father, and we get on a float plane and fly into an outpost, and they drop us off on a float plane up in northwest Ontario, and you get a cabin in the lake, and they give you the boats for the week. I've been doing that forever, and to tell you the truth, the woods in Indiana are, in my opinion, more vicious, or because of the bugs, than the woods up in Canada. Like up there, you'll have black flies and mosquitoes and, you know, the occasional tick. And you get all that in Indiana and then some. You'll get horse flies, you got wasps, yellow jackets, you got, you know, different species of snakes. There's supposed to be rattlesnakes down here in Brown County. I've hiked about every trail south down here, and I've never come across a rattlesnake, knock on wood, but hopefully I never do. But yeah, there's, I mean, the woods in the springtime and the fall time are awesome because the bugs get knocked down, and it's the same way up north. And you know, I've gone up to Canada in August before, and the mosquitoes are pretty much non-existent, you know, until the sun starts setting, and then they come out and swarm around you. Maybe, you know, not as bad as like June or July. June, it's you know, it's almost impossible to get away from mosquitoes up there. I'd like to take my dog up to the boundary waters of Minnesota and go canoe camping with her. Just do a little solo trip with my dog and find a site, probably just do a base camping thing. I don't know if I'm going to get around to that this summer or not. I really want to. Summers are so short. I wish you guys could smell the smells. Like, the smells of the smells are awesome. The flowers and the trees, and sometimes you'll smell like a sassafras tree and other trees. I have a magnolia tree in my backyard, and if you break the twig on it and smell it, it smells amazing. I need to do some research on what you can do with magnolia trees as far as making tea or making whatever, or what you can. I don't know if you can make incense with it, or but if you break it open, it smells great. Yeah, I just wanted to share this windy road with you. And like I said, we'll probably cut back in once we get on the Waverunner, or if we see something interesting. Up here is State Road 45. It goes from State Road 135 over to Bloomington, Indiana, where the IU is, Indiana University. And the lake house isn't very far. So I'm just going to go ahead and hopefully we will be on the Waverunner in just a second. And here we are. Our lake house is back here in this creek channel, back there. Well, the creek channel actually runs over here. But we were on our Yamaha Waverunner. We're going to go out and have a high sea adventure real quick. It's all idle zone back here in the shallow areas, but there's the creek channel. I believe that's Bean Blossom Creek that feeds in to Lake Lemon. And here we go. It's a little windy out today, but it's not too bad. We're out of the idle zone. Still got to look out for stuff like that. Logs that get jammed up coming out of the creek. We'll go ahead and zoom around the lake. Here's the causeway from my other video. Let's go full blast, see what this thing can do. Oh yeah. That's a little faster than my 50cc scooter. You've never ridden a Waverunner? You can't do it without not smiling. Lake Lemon's a pretty fairly decent sized lake. There's two more Waverunners over here messing around. I forgot got my headband for the GoPro, so I got my helmet on. I might look a little dorky, but it is what it is. We'll go over here. One of my favorite things to do when you're on a Waverunner is when you have people on the back, you go down slow like this, turn the throttle, hit the throttle, and it'll usually do a wheelie when you have someone on the back. Bumpy out today. Nice little sailboat over here. Hopefully I didn't get water on the lens there. I'm just going to shoot down here by the beach. Hoping to put my drone up in the air and get a nice video. There's the train trestle that I showed you in my last video way over there. My last Lake Lemon video. Oh, I love riding the Waverunner. People over here tubing. See how many people are down here at the beach. Oh, there's lots of people at the beach. They're all going to be thinking, something's wrong with this guy. He's wearing a helmet while he's riding the Waverunner. Look at this kid. He's got a fast Waverunner. Go around here, circle the island, head back towards the beach. This little island right here, when I was a kid, my father used to take us over here and we'd park on the island and hang out here all day. And they don't let you do that no more. There's actually a road that runs through the bottom of this. There used to be a stop. There's a stop sign down here. The guy at the marina told me one time. I'm gonna head over to the beach, try to fly the drone. There's supposed to be some weather moving in later on tonight. I think I'm gonna take my helmet off before I roll up in there, so people aren't like, this guy's wearing a helmet on a Waverunner. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off now. Alright, that was a fun little journey. Not sure if that's like a Boy Scouts area or a camp, summer camp, or what. Can't remember. We're gonna just cruise on over here real quick. I believe this is, yep, the Indiana University. Close this video out here. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it.